Understanding, qualify the risk, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, qualify the risk. This phrase is often used in various contexts, particularly in business and decision-making situations. Understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly beneficial, especially for non-native English speakers. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase. Qualify the risk consists of two key parts, qualify and risk. First, let's understand these words individually. Qualify means to modify or limit something in some way. It doesn't mean to make something completely positive or negative, but to add some conditions or limitations to it. On the other hand, risk refers to the possibility of something bad happening. It's often associated with loss, damage, or a negative outcome. So, when combined, the phrase, qualify the risk, involves modifying or limiting the understanding of a potential negative outcome. To better understand, qualify the risk, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, before we launch the new product, we need to qualify the risks involved. Here, it means assessing and understanding the potential downsides of launching the product and putting limitations or conditions on those risks. 2. In everyday conversation, I'd like to go hiking tomorrow, but let's qualify the risks considering the weather forecast. This means considering and setting conditions based on the potential danger of bad weather. These examples show how qualify the risk is used to make more informed decisions by understanding and setting conditions on potential negative outcomes. When using qualify the risk, remember, it's often used in planning and decision-making contexts. The phrase suggests a cautious and analytical approach. It's not about eliminating risk but managing and understanding it better. You can use it in both professional and personal scenarios. Understanding and using the phrase, qualify the risk, can enhance your English communication, especially in professional settings. It's about being cautious, analytical, and prepared for potential negative outcomes. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.